So today I'm working on a Spico dome camera, and this camera is not working. I know why it's not working, because it's wet. It's filled with water. Whoever installed it didn't do a very good job. You can see there's a big gap. The way he caulked it, it's very sloppy. And if I shift this camera, you can see water pouring out of it. I'm just putting a little pressure on it. So this entire camera and the mount bracket is filled with water. I mean, how do you mount a camera with such a huge gap on it? Even if there was no gap, these cameras are filled with water, no matter what you do to them. I don't like to install dome cameras because they're not sealed, like bullet or turret cameras. And it looks like it's sealed pretty tight, but there is a gap behind it. I mean, why would you leave this caulking like this? Why wouldn't you just run your finger across it, smooth it out? Looks like crap. And how do you install a camera and not even screw in the dome all the way? I mean, there's a good 1/4 inch gap around this camera. Anyway, let's open it up. See what it looks like inside. Wow, look at that. I've never seen so much water in a camera. There you go. I wonder why this camera's not working. Look at that. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that. Let's turn this around. Look at the wings. So we're gonna have to change this camera out for the 3rd time because it keeps getting wet. I'm not gonna put a dome here though. I'm gonna put a PTZ turret. This is a fixed camera, but the one prior to this was a PTZ. So we're gonna replace it. With another PTZ. Is this a PTZ? I don't think so. Actually, this might be a PTZ. Yeah, it is a PTZ. These cameras aren't cheap either. So we're gonna try number 3 and see how it goes. But this is a reason why I don't like to use dome cameras. Always use a turret or a bullet. There it is. See you in the next video.